Welcome to Unit 1.2, Variables and Data Types. This video covers the essential fundamentals for writing programs with Python. A variable is like a data container, or an empty box given a name. This allows the computer to remember and retrieve data easily for calculations or processing. There are three main rules for naming variables. Do not start with a number. Do not use spaces. Do not use reserved system words like if or for. There are four main data types: integer, int for whole numbers, float for decimals, string, str for text, and boolean, bool, for logical values. Integer int data is suitable for counting indivisible items, while float data is suitable for data requiring high precision, such as decimals. String str data must always be enclosed in single or double quotes. Concatenation joins two or more strings together using the ++ sign. Boolean, bool data has only two possible states, true or false. This is a key principle in creating conditions and decision-making in computer programs. If you are unsure of a variable's data type, you can use the type function to scan and check the type immediately. Typecasting is the process of converting a data type so the program can use it. For example, converting text to a number for calculation. Let's review what we've learned. The code first_name equals John is incorrect because variable names cannot start with a number. The command type 3.14 checks the data type, confirming that type is a tool for data type inspection. The command int 3.14 converts the float to an integer, resulting in 3. When applying Python to Google Sheets, a Python float appears as a calculable number. A Python string requires a single quote prefix to be treated as text in Sheets. To summarize, variables are containers for data with proper naming rules. Data types include int, float, str, and bool. Tools like type and typecasting help manage data.